Hey, so today I'm going to talk about the C1 sensor node and show you one of its potential applications, and I'm going to connect it to a current sensor and get that data displayed onto the Conctr platform. So what is the C1? As you can see, it's a small battery-powered internet-connected sensor with a whole bunch of built-in sensors. It's got a 3-axis accelerometer, a temperature sensor, a pressure sensor, humidity sensor, and a light sensor. And there's 2 built-in LEDs. If I shake it here, you can see them flash. And on the front here, you can see that there's a RJ12 port. No, you don't need to plug in Ethernet cable to get that connected. This thing has Wi-Fi. But this plug here does support a whole bunch of external sensors that you can connect up to it additionally. The RJ12 port supports I2C, UART, one-wire protocols, and can also take analog readings. It's got a built-in 12-bit ADC. And it can also be used for all sorts of other industrial applications, like using Modbus, and there's also a built-in library for it. So, back to what we're doing today. Today we're going to be hooking this up to a current sensor, and it's a YHDC SCT013, and this one's rated for 30 amps. And what we're going to do is we're going to hook it all up, and I'll show you what to do. So here's our setup for the current sensor. It's not nearly as complicated as it looks. We've just broken out the wires and connected a oscilloscope, and we've got that signal coming through here. Right now we're not seeing anything. When we turn on our test load, we should be able to see a signal coming through, and here it is. That's the AC current signal that our current sensor is measuring. So we can be sure that when we connect that and read it from the C1, we'll be able to pick up the signal. So now we're in the Conctr page, and we're looking at the data being displayed here. There's currently no measurements coming in, everything's 0. And we've turned on the load, and now we can see that we're getting a current shown in our current gauge, as well as current being plotted historically. The last thing I'm going to show you is that the current sensor can just be crimped into a RJ12 plug, and that can just go straight into our C1, and that way you don't have to do any complex wiring. You just plug straight in, you hook this up to a wire that you want to read the current through, and you are ready to go. If you're doing a proof of concept and you want to get up and running as fast as possible, Conctr plus the C1 is the place to start. You can find the C1 and the current sensor and a whole bunch of other sensors and cables on our website through the link below.